spotted a small leak in your garden hose? It's a common problem that wastes water and slows down your gardening. The good news is you can fix minor holes quickly at home without special tools or a trip to the shops. First, turn off the tap and find the exact spot of the leak. Dry the area thoroughly with a towel to help the repair stick. Next, cut a 5 cm length of old bicycle inner tube or use sturdy electrical tape. If you're using tape, stretch it slightly and wrap it tightly around the hole, overlapping by half each turn to create a snug, waterproof seal. If you have an inner tube piece, slide it over the hole and secure both ends with hose clamps or cable ties. Make sure the repair is smooth so it won't snag on garden tools or plants. A common mistake is using standard sticky tape. It won't hold under water pressure and will fail quickly. Once wrapped, turn the tap back on and check for leaks. If it still drips, add another tape layer or tighten the clamp. This quick fix should keep your hose working until you can replace it properly. The main takeaway, a simple patch saves water, money, and keeps your garden thriving without delay.